Hey guys, it's been a really long time since I made a video. This is not the Prius. I no longer have the Prius. This is my 2023 Toyota RAV4 hybrid XLE trim, not the premium. The premium came with the fog lights. The premium came with the leather seats and a few other goodies. For my early birthday gift, my husband got me a set of LED fog lights. They're pretty great. I did test one of them out to make sure that they were actually working. This is Toyota Lexus compatible, as you can see. There's Siemid, made in China. Siemid, made in China, but Toyota Lexus compatible. I bought this wiring loom from Amazon. I already connected the relay here. It looks like it's a no name, no brand relay. But this is an H11 connector, as you can see. H11. This is an H11. It's very close to OEM. So just to prove it to you that this is OEM fit, I actually had to go out and buy the fasteners there. This is a brand new fastener, the screw in the center there. And the install was a little bit tricky. Just to put these in, you have to kind of twist and warp the shroud so that way it can fit properly. But other than that, it feels pretty solid. Like nothing's shaking, nothing's rattling or anything like that. So that's good. That's a good sign. That's always a good sign. So for tools, we've got some. I'm actually not going to use this switch because I have a really bad habit of leaving lights on, and it always kills the battery, and I just can't afford to do that anymore. It's $150 every time that happens when I kill the battery. And no, I know that you can just recharge the battery and boost, you plug it into another car, and I have a jump box over here in this mess of some. Oh, it's down there. I have that for that reason, but I had to spend about $100 for that because, and then, well, I had to spend $100 for that and then a new battery because I got tired of using that and carrying that around. So it happened twice where I killed the battery to the point where, I had to get a new one every time. So I'm not using this. I'm actually going to do what another YouTuber did, and he took one of these red T-taps and he tapped into the power for the auxiliary light. So he tapped into there. So every time the lights come on, the headlights, these are DRLs down here, and once these lights come on up here and the parking lights come on, once the whole system is on, instead of just the DRLs, the fog lights will also turn on. And when I turn off the car, the fog lights will also turn off. So I would prefer that because these fog lights are really wide, so I can see at night better. Or see better at night. And when I turn off the car, those lights will turn off as soon as these lights turn off. So that way I don't have to think about them. And I'm the type of guy who likes to drive with the fog lights on anyways. I know some places they don't allow that, but here in the state of Oregon, it's perfectly legal as long as you don't just drive with just these on, because that's illegal. So for tools, we got some needle nose pliers, a screwdriver, I've got a Die Hard brand. I forgot where this came from, what store, but I'm gonna need a 10 millimeter. I've got some pry tools. I have a few more in the back, but I've also got some zip ties to make everything flush. We've got the fasteners, and here are the fasteners. You can get this from Toyota. Pause the video if you'd like. 90167-50063, screw pin tapping. They are fasteners specifically for the fog lights. It doesn't matter if they're Toyota Lexus, they will work. And then I will link all of this into the description below. The Siemid, and again, this is what it looks like. It is an LED projector fog. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take off the front bumper. Yeah.